Hello, myself Apurva Akre, and today I'll be demonstrating you integration between a BagAchat and a Vryno CRM. Once you log in with your BagAchat account, on the left hand side you can see the navigation bar, and inside that you'll click on settings. Inside the settings you can see multiple options, and you need to go to the profile tab. Inside profile tab you'll click on API tokens, phone numbers, and Meta Cloud API details. Now, since this account is a verified account, I'm able to see the MetaCloud API details. If you do not have a verified account, you will be able to see only the token and the phone number along with the customer key. Now, if to begin with the integrations, I'll have to copy the API token from the BagAchat and move to the CRM settings. To go to the CRM settings, you'll go to the profile. Inside profile, you will have to select settings. Inside the settings, you will go to the integration. Inside integration, you will go to the WhatsApp and then you'll click on BagAchat. Now here a account creation form would get appeared wherein the name and the email would be auto-fetched from the profile that you have been logged in. You just have to paste the token over here and the same number as you have been associated with the WhatsApp BagAchat. You will have to paste the same number over here as well. Now if you have a BagAchat verified account, you can keep it checked, and if you do not have a verified account, you can keep it as unchecked as well, and I'll save it. Now the integration between the WhatsApp and the Vryno CRM is completed. Now to start with, it would ask you that the new chat would go into the leads or contacts. You can select either of this and then it would get updated automatically. To send a message, you need to create a template. Now, since Meta has a policy that you cannot create a template from CRM, you need to come up with the BagAchat account. Inside BagAchat, you will go to again the settings, and inside settings, you will go to the template messages. You will create a template over here. You will get it approved, and once it is approved, you will click on the Fetch FB approved templates. All the recent templates approved would come up over here, and then inside that, if you close the tab, all the approved list of the templates would come up at the bottom of the page. Now, since I only have one template being approved, I'll be using that for the further process. To begin a chat with any of the contact for the verified account, you need to send a campaign to them. Only then you can start a conversation with the particular record. If you have a verified account of a BagAchat, if you do not have a verified account, you can just start a conversation of for the particular record by just saying hi. But if you have a verified account, you need to send a campaign first. You need to send a campaign first, and then and if the contact replies, then you can move forward with the continuing of the conversation. Now to send a message to the particular record, I'm into the detailed view. Inside the detail view, I'll go to the edit drop down. Inside the edit drop down, I'll have the send message. Inside the send message, I can see a send to and a select template. So if I want to send the particular message to someone else as well, I'll click on this. I'll select the particular record or contact whom I have to send the message as well. So suppose if I say Sarah, now the particular message would be sent to Akshay and the Sarah as well. And then I'll select with the template. So as of now, I only have one template. It is showing me only one template. So you'll select the template, then you can review the template as well. You can view the template. Once you're done with your send to template and then preview of the template, you can send it and the campaign or the message would be sent. Now, if you send a campaign and if the contact replies, you can start a conversation. Now to start a conversation, you can go to the detail view of a particular record. Inside that, you'll see on the left hand side there are multiple sections, and at the bottom of the sections you can see a WhatsApp section as well. You'll go there. If the person replies to you, you can start a conversation. You can you can add the attachments from here as well, just as WhatsApp. But if the particular person hasn't replied to your campaign or you haven't sent a campaign at first, being a verified account, If I just try to send a hi instead of starting a conversation with the campaign, it would give a message saying that he hasn't replied and you haven't sent a template as well. So you need to start a conversation by sending a first template, and if the person replies, you can continue the conversation. You can also send a message to multiple users by going to the contacts module, then selecting particular contacts whom you have to send a message, providing that they have a mobile number or the phone number. Then inside that you will have action button. Inside the action drop down, you'll select the send message, and the process is same, like you'll select the send to, you'll select the template, and you can preview the template as well, and you can send it. Now there's another option from where you can send them templates or campaigns as well. That is from the settings. Inside settings, you will create a workflow. Inside that, you will go to the automations, and then there will be workflow and actions. First, you'll create an action because that is the logic of the workflow. I have already created an action and I'll just show you that. So here I have kept the action name as test BagAchat. Inside that I have selected an action type as business, as a business message, and I'll select the module called leads, let's say for an example, and then I'll select a template. So I have a text template over here, a text messages template. I'll select that. You can preview it over here as well, and you will click on save. Your action would get saved, and when you click on the profile, or sorry, if when you click on the workflow, you need to create a workflow through here, wherein it would ask you the rule name or maybe the workflow name. So let's say I'm saying it as a testing. You'll select the module, I'll select the leads, and then it would ask when this workflow would get triggered. So I'll say when the lead would get created, and then if I'll save it, it would ask the condition. If I'll select the condition as well, it would ask me the action type, and if I'll select the action type as a business message, and then if I'll select the template of the business message, and if I'll click on save, the workflow would get saved. So what would happen over here is, if the lead is being created, for all the newly created records of the leads, the business message as this template would get sent to them. Now to see how many templates you have how many templates you have as approved one in the CRM, you will go to the customization. Inside the customization, you will have the templates. Inside templates, you will have a WhatsApp template over here, wherein you can see all your approved templates inside the CRM from here. You cannot create a WhatsApp template from here. You can just review them. You can just preview them from here. If you have any notification from the WhatsApp, you can get it from the notification icon on the navigation bar, and if you click on this, here you have a WhatsApp icon. If you click on this, you can see all your notifications from the WhatsApp that you are being received. So that's it about the integration between the BagAchat and the Vryno. Thank you.